unmuted. Please converse.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Sadruddin Saab. How are you today?
I'm doing, mashallah, very good. How about you?
I'm very well, sir. Thank you. Are you enjoying the session today?
Excellent, sir. Excellent.
Thank you.
You are great, sir.
Sir, you are very kind. I'm humbled. Would you like to briefly introduce yourself before we discuss your question?
Yes, my name is Sadruddin Jumani. I work for a oil and gas company in Pakistan, in Karachi. And just, being a local Karachiite, I know how things work, and the reputation of different officials working in the Sindh Building Control Authority. So I was thinking, it's really good that the federal government has issued this ordinance, but when it comes to the provincial department getting approval, and we are all aware, what kind of practices are followed there. So it will be an issue for a builder to get his master plan and all other drawings approved in a civilized manner.
Sadruddin Saab, it's a very, very, very good question that you have asked. And in fact, from your question, it appeared to me that you are either builder or developer or involved with the construction.
Yes, I think I am. I work in a company, but at the same time, I'm a sleeping partner in a joint venture, informal joint venture with friends who build bungalows and then they sell it.
MashaAllah. So see, I could guess your profession from your question rightly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Sadruddin Sab, I have briefly discussed this, but I'll elaborate this for you because it's a very good question. Yes, these are practical issues. We know they are capacity issues. There are also other unfortunate and unethical dealings in at least some of the officers in various bodies, as you have mentioned. That is the reason that the time, two things have been done. Firstly, the time is given till December that you have to register yourself. And the project completion date is given for September 22. So your question about the approval, the relevant time for that question is not 30th September 2022. It is 31st December 2020. That is the date by which the plan, the maps have to be approved. Now, coming on to your question, firstly, why did the government do that? The reason being, this is the time when the government want the builders and developers to spur into action, because this is the time, even ethically and morally, we shouldn't sit on the money, we should put that into work. Plus, this is the time when they want the jobs to be created, the economic activity to happen. Make sense? Now,
yes.
Now to the actual core of your question. They have tried to build a couple of things within the legislation to address this. Number one, they have given the time till end of December. That is almost 8 months plus to get the approval. So how long can the authority delay? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months? But we know when some unscrupulous things happen, it can be much more. So if such a scenario happen, they have also added the provision that if you did all the things, you filed everything as was required, you have followed all the legal requirement, and you filed that at the maximum by 1st of December, so 30 days before the cutoff time, and the authority did not approve it within 30 days, then the FBR would still allow you a provisional registration. Okay, so they have tried to cover that thing within the ambit. However, we are aware that post 18 amendments, the provinces have gotten a lot of autonomy and many rights, and the federation can't really interfere or force them to make certain legislation. So it would be up to the provinces, and we do hope that the provinces will also legislate and introduce controls to improve their relevant authorities, because then the businesses will be facilitated more. As we know, the better the business ecosystem, the better the results would be. I hope that answers your question, Satruddin Saab.
Absolutely, sir. You're very thorough. Thank you.
You are most welcome. Can you mute Nizam and move on to the next question, please?